In honor of Pride Month, today we're going to be doing makeup inspired by the trans flag. We'll start off with primer, some full coverage foundation, concealer, blend all of that out, and then we tried the soap brows technique, which didn't really work out. So we're just going to powder our face and just forget that happened, draw our regular eyebrows on, put some eye primer on, then we're going to go in with white, sky blue, and pink, which are the three colors of the trans flag. I always start with the lightest color, then go into with the darkest, most pigmented color, which is why I started with the white, then did the blue, and then I did the pink. I lined the bottom of my eye with brown, and then the top with the liquid black eyeliner. Add some mascara, and also draw the top waterline with the same black color, but with a gel. Then use eyelash glue to dot the spots where you want to add some gems, and I'm using 3 different colored gems to match my eyeshadow: silver, pink, and blue. And we're going to cluster them and also spread them out. Add some highlighter on the highest points of our face and then finish off with a maroon lip. Don't forget you need sparkles, so add a little bit of highlighter to the bottom lip. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. These are beautiful colors of a beautiful flag from a beautiful community. Remember to celebrate that. And bonus, here's my fit to match my eye makeup look. Awkward dancing, awkward dancing, awkward dancing. Ooh! Anyways, comment below with what you want to see next and follow me for more. Bye!